Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy. What a deal Stampin' Up has going on right now. If you love to do paper crafts, this is the time. Let me tell you, Stampin' Up has got the best deal going on. Never has before have they had this going on. You can get a starter kit for only $75. And what that means is you pay $75 for the starter kit and you can pick out any supplies you want, worth up to $125 worth of product. And you can sign up to be a demonstrator to get this. And so you can sign up under me and be on a team with me with the Stampin' Beauties, and I'm under Jean Bersanti, and she is the leader of Stampin' Beauties. And then of course we're also on another even bigger team with Lori, and that team is We Stamp. And just, I've got so much to tell you, I don't even know where to begin. One, this is just some of the stuff, like as far as the business stuff, they give you all your business stuff, okay, that you need to start a business, like to pass out stuff that you need if you want to get people on your team, folders, everything. They give you all your business supplies. So this is what this is I was laying out here. So they give you everything you need. And then, like I said, plus you get to pick out $125 worth of supplies for only $75. That's all you pay is the $75. All right. And this is going on from, it started already on the 4th of November, and it will end on 30th of November. All right. So that's a fantastic deal, because normally it's $99, and that is as low as it's ever been. So if you're looking for really to get some product and you like Stampin' Up product, or if you've never tried Stampin' Up product, this is a good time to give it a try. Because even it's okay, y'all. It's okay. Sorry, y'all. It's a good time to give it a try and see how you like it. Even if you may not sure if you want to sell, and you're not sure if you want to go into business, just give it a try. And you can kind of get your feet wet and see what you want to do with it. Because where else could you, spend $75 and get $125 worth of product, Their products are like some of the best products, from the cardstock to the inks to the blends to the markers, everything I've always loved, and that's why I became a demonstrator. Their dies are the best, their stamps are the best, they don't fall apart. I've never had a problem with any of their products, and if I've had any problems with any of their products, and the only time I've had any problems with any products is a few times there's been maybe a little problem with something out of their paper pumpkins kits, they do fix it. They they fix it right away. And that's been like with one of their little ink spots or something like that. And they've sent me a new one or something. So yes, they always take care of their customers and their demonstrators. They are a good company to buy from and work for. And and being a demonstrator, you get a great discount. And then when you're a demonstrator, and even when you're buying and everything, you're you know, for yourself, even, you're still making money for yourself. So there's that. If you have any, you know, more questions, get in touch with me, and I can try to help you answer any more of your questions. You can comment down below, or you can, my email is, you know, down below. You can email me, whichever one. Preferably comment me first, maybe, and then let me know you're emailing me. I'm trying to get a lot better. I told Jean, you know, I'm trying to get a lot better with checking my email every day. Yeah, you know, our team, we have so much fun. Let me tell you about the team. We have so much fun on our team because, I mean, we stay so busy. Like we have classes, and, you know, like once a month we have a class. We get together. Of course, we have a paper pumpkin class. We'll do, you know, when we get, if you get the paper pumpkin, you have a paper pumpkin class every month. The very end of the month, towards the end of the month, like the last Saturday of the month, we have a stamping class. And like this month, we're going to be doing a class on the stamp set right here. We get together and do what's called a sip and stamp class, where we get together and just hang out, and we do all this on Zoom, because, you know, everybody's scattered all over, but we get together on Zoom and on all these classes. And sip and stamp, we do the same thing, and everybody's just hanging out, talking, drinking tea, coffee, whatever they choose to drink, and they're stamping, making cards, creating whatever, you know, everybody's doing their own thing. Let's see, what else do we do during the month? Gosh, we do so many fun things. We have a meeting once a month. We just had that. I think that's the first Thursday of the month. We usually do that in our group. And then I've started in our group, on our Facebook group, where I post a challenge, and it's like a card challenge. I'll do that and post that up, and so you just, it's real fun. Everybody, you know, or you don't have to, but some people will do that. And then Jean, she'll draw a winner, and like she puts all the names that decides to do the challenge, and she draws a winner to see who wins that. And then she also draws winners for other things. So, you know, there's opportunities to win, you know, little prizes. The same with some of the other things. And I mean, there's just always something going on every month. So, and then also there's We Stamp, you know, there's the next group that you get to be a part of is We Stamp, and that's Lori's group. And So hers is a lot bigger group with a lot of ladies, and there's always something going on in her group. And then she has meetings, and so you can be involved in that. So there's plenty to do, and a lot of activity, and a lot of fun, and a lot of ladies to meet, and new friends. And so if you like stuff like that, this would be a lot of fun. So let me know if you're interested. We would love to have you join, and this is the time to join. So let me know, and I would love it if you would please share this video with others so that the word can get out and people would know about it. Comment down below, if you're interested in any way. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Click that bell for all notifications. And please click the like button. Give me a thumbs up. That sure would help my channel to grow. And I appreciate it. And y'all have a very blessed day. And I thank you for all your support. And I'll see you again soon in the next video.